Let's hop in the car and go for a ride. From top to bottom, your car is using Kuraray technology. The windshield is one of the most important parts of your car. Using our interlayer technology, Trosafol, your windshield isn't simply a sheet of glass. The layer between it provides you protection in case of impact, as well as dampens sound to make the ride smoother and quieter. As the world continues to push for more fuel-efficient vehicles, Kuraray is working with our customers to make strong, metal-equivalent parts. Today, your fuel tank is most likely made with a layer of EVOH, a chemically resistant gas barrier polymer. Many other high-heat components are made with our unique nylon product called Genistar. From fuel tubes and floor mats to small gears and tires, you can find eval, Genistar, and Kuraray elastomer products scattered throughout your vehicle. And for those looking for more adventure, Vectrin fibers are used in motorcycle clothing to ensure that painful road rash during an accident is eliminated. These products make our lives better, from convenience to comfort to protection. Kuraray materials are there to make a difference.